In this class, we are going to talk about a shortcut, that is control 1. Let's say I have created an object for the calculator and I have invoked add and subtract method. And this add method is going to provide a integer value as a return type, and also the subtract method is going to provide integer as a return type, right? So in that case, if you want to assign the returned value to a variable, what you can do is select this entire statement and do control 1, and it is going to populate a window, and it asks you to extract to method, assign statement to local variable, and assign statements to new field. Okay, so here you are going to store the return value in a variable, so you have to select assign statement to new local variable. Click on this. Now you can see that. Otherwise, if you don't have the control 1, so you have to explicitly have to type int sub equal to like this. Okay, so instead of you typing the return value to store in a variable, you can just use control 1. So control 1 can be used to assign the returned value to a variable, and also to extract the statements to a method. Let's see how can I extract the statements to a method. Select all these statements and do control 1. Now you can see extract to method. Just click on this. Now you can see all these methods are extracted to a method called extracted, right? And then there is a method which is created, a method call which is created in the main method, that is extracted. If you want to rename this extracted method name, what you can do, select this method, right click, refactor, rename. Let's type cal, and it says that press enter to refactor. Just click on the enter. Now you can see that the method name got changed to cal in the method declaration as well as method invocation. So that's all about usage of control 1.